What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio so people can contact you directly with just one click. First, open Instagram on your mobile device and navigate to your profile page. To do this, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on Edit Profile to access your account settings. Next, scroll down to the Links section and tap on Add External Link. This is where you'll manually enter your WhatsApp link. Now, here's an important detail. You can't just copy and paste your WhatsApp link from the app. Instead, you have to manually type it using this format, wa.me/your-phone-number. For example, if you're in the UK, your number would start with 44, so you type w.me/44 and so on. And just like that, if you're from the US, your number would start with 1. Just make sure to include your country code, but without the plus symbol or any spaces. All numbers should be typed consecutively. Once you've entered your WhatsApp link, you have the option to add a title, such as Chat with me on WhatsApp, or simply leave it blank. When you're done, tap Done, and the link will be saved to your Instagram bio. Now, if you go back to your profile, you will see the WhatsApp link displayed. To test it, tap on the link and it will open Instagram's built-in browser, where you will see a message saying Chat on WhatsApp with this phone number. Tap Continue to chat, and WhatsApp will launch, taking you directly to the conversation. If someone clicks on your link for the first time, it will open a new chat window with no previous messages. However, if they've already chatted with you before, their previous conversation history will appear. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.